Okay? So, imagine this scenario. You have created a YouTube channel and you upload a couple of videos and then life gets in the way and your channel sort of just fizzles out after a few months or even a few weeks. Now, I see this all the time and it's honestly one of the most frustrating things to see because starting a YouTube channel is not easy. It takes a lot of time, effort, and mental energy to actually sit down, plan out a video, film the video, edit the video, and then promote the video in hopes that it goes viral. And even if it doesn't go viral, you still need to sit there and respond to comments, delete spam comments, and make sure that your community guidelines are being followed. So what if there was a way for you to create a YouTube channel that is fully automated? Well, good news! It does exist, and you can do it right now. Hi everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to talk about how you can create an automated YouTube channel that will bring in your first passive income stream. But before we get started with the video, let me tell you a little bit about myself. I am the owner of multiple six-figure earning online businesses. And today, I am gonna share with you my top tips and tricks for creating an automated YouTube channel. If you guys like these types of videos where I talk about business, entrepreneurship, and even some finance, then make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also, I want to give a huge shout out to all of my supporters. Thank you guys so much for supporting me. Now, let's get into today's video. So, if you are new to YouTube, here's a quick breakdown on how the monetization process works. The first thing that you need to do in order to get monetized is you need to create a Google account. Once you have done that, you need to head over to studioyoutube.com, sign up. In order to apply for YPP, you must have a public upload, which means you have to upload at least one public video on your channel. That's pretty simple. Then you need to have 1,000 subscribers. This doesn't have to be your real subscribers. They could be fake subscribers, but we're going to get more into that later on in the video. And finally, you need 4,000 hours of public watch time. Again, this can be fake watch time. We'll get more into that later. And then you also have to follow YouTube's community guidelines and copyright laws. Now, once you have met all of those requirements, you can apply to YPP. And once you're accepted into YPP, you can turn on monetization features such as super thanks, super chats, super stickers, memberships, and merchandise. Now, on top of that, you also need to have an AdSense account. So when you apply to YPP, they're gonna ask you if you want to set up an AdSense account, and you should definitely do that. With the AdSense account, you'll be able to make money off of ads. There's a few different types of ads that you can do on YouTube. Super thanks, super chats, super stickers, memberships, and merchandise. With the super thanks feature, fans can buy a one-time badge next to their name when they comment, and that's it. Super thanks allows you to earn money from fans directly without having to show ads on your videos. Next up, we have super chats and super stickers, which is another way for your fans to support you directly while you re-live streaming. Viewers can buy a sticker or a chat during a live stream and pin it to the top of the chat feed. It'll stay there until the live stream ends. Fans can purchase a chat or sticker with super thanks. These purchases are one-time only and don't renew. Fans will also receive a special badge next to their name on the live stream. You can earn money from fans directly through memberships. You set the price, and your fans pay every month. Your fans will also get cool perks such as custom emoji, exclusive content, and more. Finally, you can sell merch directly through your YouTube channel. You can use YouTube's built-in feature to sell merch directly to your fans. It's really awesome. So now that you know exactly how the monetization process works, let's get into the strategies and tactics that you can use to automate your YouTube channel. So, no. One is stock footage. For those of you who don't know what stock footage is basically pre-recorded videos that you can download for your YouTube videos. Personally, I use Artlist and Epidemic Sound to find all of my stock videos and music. Stock videos are great because they allow you to add B-roll to your YouTube videos. B-roll is basically any footage that's being recorded at the same time as a voiceover. So you could be talking and there's footage playing in the background. It makes your videos more engaging and entertaining. So if you're looking for free stock footage, I would recommend checking out Cover.to. They have tons of free stock footage that you can use on your YouTube channel. のに、is outsourcing. Outsource. 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 That's all I say when it comes to starting a YouTube channel. Because unless you're literally filming yourself on camera, everything else is something that someone else can do. For example, you can outsource your thumbnail creation, your editing, your transcription, your marketing, and even your fulfillment. When it comes to finding freelancers, I personally like to use Fiverr and Up. However, if you want the best quality work, I would recommend going with Upwork. No. 3 is scheduling your videos in advance. Now, what I mean by this is, instead of uploading videos, whenever you finish them, which usually takes a long time to do, you want to batch create your videos and then schedule them to upload on a certain day and time. The reason why this is important is because you want to keep a consistent upload schedule so that YouTube knows when to push out your videos to your audience. The best tool that I have ever found to schedule your YouTube videos is called vidIQ. Allows you to bulk upload and schedule your videos so that you don't have to waste time uploading them manually. They also have a ton of other features such as AI-powered video suggestions based on your niche, keyword suggestions, competitor analysis tools, and a whole bunch more. It's honestly an amazing software, and I highly suggest that you check it out. If you guys are interested in getting a free trial, I will leave a link below. No. 4 is grow your subscriber base. Now, you may be thinking that you need thousands of subscribers in order to start making money on YouTube, but that's not true. As you saw earlier, you only need 1,000 subscribers to apply for monetization. And the thing is, you can buy subscribers. Now, I don't suggest doing this, but you can. And you can also run contests on your other social media channels where people can enter by subscribing to your YouTube channel. Another thing that you can do is make sure that all of your videos are linked in your bio on all of your social media channels. Lastly, you can also run paid ads to your YouTube channel. Paid ads are one of the fastest ways to grow your subscriber base. But I don't suggest doing this if you're just starting out. No. 5 is repurpose your content. Repurposing your content is one of the best ways to drive traffic to your YouTube channel. Basically, what it is taking one piece of content and turning it into multiple pieces of content. For example, if you're creating a YouTube video, you can take that YouTube video and chop it up into Instagram Reels and TikTok videos. Another thing that you can do is take your YouTube videos and turn them into podcasts. Then you can upload that podcast onto Spotify, Apple Music, and even YouTube Music. What's really great about repurposing your content is that it allows you to reach a wider audience. Number 6 is fake watch hours. Okay, so I know I keep mentioning fake watch hours and subscribers, and I'm gonna come clean. I did it. I faked my watch hours and I faked my subscribers on my YouTube channel, and I regret it. The thing is, it took me so long to realize that I didn't need to do that. And I shouldn't have done that because eventually YouTube caught on, and I lost half of my subscribers and half of my watch hours. So please don't make the same mistake as me. The only time that I would suggest faking your subscribers and watch hours is if you're trying to sell your YouTube channel. Selling a YouTube channel with fake subscribers and fake watch hours is a lot easier than selling a YouTube channel with real subscribers and watch hours. Because no one wants to buy your YouTube channel if they know that you spent years growing it organically. The last tip that I have for you guys is to just relax. Don't stress yourself out trying to go viral or trying to get millions of views. The goal of YouTube is to just have fun and make money. Now, yes, it's great to go viral and get millions of views, but if that's the goal, then you're doing it wrong. You should just aim to create content that brings you joy and happiness, and then monetize that content. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you like and subscribe. If you're interested in taking my free mini course, I will leave the link below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.